students, can you believe we are the week before our spring break? So this is our course week 24, February 23rd through March 1st. And then you can see the following week you have a spring break. And we are moving on to motivation. I think I've said every unit is my favorite unit, but I like them all, and I like seeing this unit. I hope you will find this section of the unit 4. I hope you'll see helps you understand what motivates you, and I hope to also see what motivates you with the project. So you can read the overview statement to see what we're looking at here. You'll do a basic motivational concept map, a theories of motivational concept map, and then looking at human drives, or we could call this the biological basis of motivation. And then you're not finishing your project because I'm just putting it here for you to look at. So I just want you to look at this project, ignore the unit numbers. I reuse lots of stuff and lots of things get numbered, and this isn't a PDF form and I can't change it easily. So but I want to know what really motivates you, right? Not in general, but specifically. And I want you to relate these theories you've learned, right? So I'm hoping that all year you've felt what you're learning here is not just something we do, you're not in a classroom per se, but that it's not just for an academic reason, that we're doing things because they're meaningful. So I would like for you to use these motivation or these theories that you're learning to tell me what's meaningful to you. So you can create a presentation. I put PowerPoint Prezi here as an example. You can use Canva. You can use whatever you like to use. I'm not picky on this. But I do want to see the things that are meaningful. So this assignment would be mere busy work if you had to explain why you wore jeans instead of shorts, or why you ate Fruit Loops instead of Fruity Pebbles this morning. I hope you're not eating either of those right now. But, we were looking at the big things, like what gets you up out of bed? What do you look forward to doing? Right? So you're going to talk about the arousal theory, which is Yerkes-Dodson law. It's the same thing. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and your intrinsic motivation. So these are the theories you should discuss in your project. And then you have these social motives, the aggression, right? I went and worked out last night because I find that if I do that, I'm not aggressive in other areas of my life. Achievement, right? So we have achievement-oriented behavior, competitiveness, how do these drive you? And then affiliation, like I also went and worked out last night because I have friends there, right? So we do things to be with our friends. So these are the theories. You're trying to put this together. You have some time for this. Obviously, we have a week of break. I'm trying to see, so I don't have this, this is still working on it. In week 25, you're still working on the project. And then in week 26, you're finishing the project. So you have some time to do this. So I hope you like your dive into motivational theory and that you can use this in your life. If you have any questions this week, please let me know.